to the stage, Tony Robbins! How you all doing out there? Go! Yes! Buenos dias, guten morgen, good day to my friends down in Australia. We have here 30,000 homes, 40,000 participants, and 136 countries. Give it up for everybody around the world. Now this is the fourth version of our studio. We have LED walls now. First of all, thank you for inviting me into your home. I get to see your kids and your dogs. Pretty amazing gift. And in the middle of COVID, when we all need it most, that through technology we can gather around the world. There's no one who's not been touched by COVID at some level. But the great thing about the human soul and spirit is we're more than anything that can be done to us. Inside of us is more. But what we have to do is not pray for this to end, but pray that we become stronger. And not just pray, but make ourselves stronger. And that's what we're going to do the next few days. Because the greatest story of humanity, my friends, is the comeback story. Someone who's knocked to their knees, but they find a way to get back up, push through, and they don't just get back to where they were, they get back to an even better place. Who's up for creating an even greater future from this weekend than you had in the past, no matter what here? Say aye! Say aye! Meaning equals emotion, and emotion equals life. The pattern of your emotion is creating the pattern of your life. The right emotions will get you anywhere you want to go, and the wrong emotions will mess you up. We all have an emotional home. Wouldn't it be nice to upgrade your home? What if you could live every day with a vast majority of the emotions you had were joy, gratitude, boldness, playfulness, love, and appreciation, even in the middle of COVID, even when somebody does something unjust? Because life is going to always challenge us, and you want to crush the challenge and grow to the next level and have the fulfillment that comes from that. Emotional fitness is a state of readiness. Emotion is energy in motion. If you move differently, if you gesture differently, you will feel differently. The one power no one can take from you, you can only give it to them, is the power to decide what things mean. I want you to think about COVID. I bet there's been some good that's come out of it. I've created a digital part of my business. Good. I slowed down. I contributed more. I'm closer with my family. If you're focused on what you want instead of what you're afraid of, you're going to steer in that direction. You're going to find yourself moving in the direction that you really want to. And it doesn't matter what it is, you can change it, but you got to create a new momentum.
Human momentum is forward motion with emotion. It's all about your state.
But most success in life is just psychology. Your story, your identity, your beliefs about what it is that you need to be, who it is you need to be.
Commit to becoming the master of your mindset. The masterpiece of life that you create is a gift that you give the world. Share your gift and shine your magnificent light on this world.
You have everything you need inside of you right now to accomplish your wildest dreams.
I love being an underdog. But right now, around the whole world, we're all underdogs. So what do underdogs do? Underdogs read opportunities. And now's the time to take this opportunity and figure out how you're gonna pivot.
It's not your fault to get knocked to your knees, but it is your fault if you don't get off your knees. It's not about fault, it's about quality of life. Because life is too short to suffer. If you want to stop suffering, trade your expectations for appreciation, and your whole life will change in that moment.
The biggest disability you can have is a bad mindset, my friends.
The ability to find joy in any moment, to find fulfillment, to find meaning, it is a necessity for an extraordinary life. What would life be like if you decided today, I'm gonna live in a beautiful state from this day forward, no matter what?
You are powerful.
Yes.
And that is the heart. And you go by that, and then there's nothing that's going to lead you astray because it's coming from within you.
Hey, give it up for Sophie, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to improve your life permanently, there's only one way. Raise your standards. Turn your should list into your must list. Everything is waiting for you to no longer settle for less than you can be or do or create or share or give or enjoy in this life. That is the secret to your life. What if you could be happy for no good reason, just the fact that you're alive? What if you begin to realize that I'm more than anything that could ever happen to me? That I always find the way sooner or later. So why not enjoy it since I know it's going to work out? What if you knew that life is always happening for me, not to me? And even when it looks like it's life happening to me, there's a gift in there. It's my job to find it. And when I do, there's a sense of freedom. But why wait? Why not just have that freedom now, knowing I'm going to find the answer? Feel the energy of your life. This is your true life. The life beyond the mind. This is your spirit. This is your soul. This is how it flies. This is you in your true nature in a beautiful state. All that you've done to push yourself this hard to come to this moment. A moment where you've stepped into your true identity. Feel your strength. Feel your passion. This is a new beginning for your life. This is taking your standard to a new level. This is embodying it at a whole new level. No problem is eternal. Only your soul is eternal. Feel it, own it, enjoy it, be it. This is you unleashed.